On tonight's episode of If It's Not Easy, We're Not Making It. Tonight we're making Sticky Garlic Chicken Noodle Bowl. Oh my God, you have to try this. There's a secret sauce to it. You're not gonna wanna miss this. Let me show you. We're first gonna start off by dicing our chicken. You want them small, like cubes, like almost like chicken nuggets. This recipe is good when you want something quick, easy, and you really don't know what to make. Once you have it all diced up, throw it back into your bag and let's get ready for your marinade. And that's soy sauce, honey, garlic, ginger, red peppers, and mix it all up. Once that's all mixed up, set that to the side. We're gonna throw in our cornstarch. Just toss it into the bag and give it a nice shake. Once you're done with this recipe, I guarantee your family is gonna think that you went for takeout. Now here's the magic part. Once you get it all coated up with the cornstarch, this is gonna give you the crispiness when you throw it onto the grill, and it's gonna taste just like nuggets with the sauce. Oh my God, your family is gonna love you. After you toss it around a couple times, let's throw on our oil onto our grill. Then we're gonna throw our chicken onto the grill. This is about medium heat. It takes about 4 to 5 minutes on each side to get it nice and golden brown. As we're waiting for those to get nice and golden brown, let's work on our noodles. This is just regular old ramen noodles. We're gonna throw that down and throw down some water and steam it up. This is one of my favorite noodles to use. It's quick, it's easy, and everybody has ramen noodles around the house. Now this part takes about 3 to 4 minutes under the dome with that steam. In the meantime, let's go ahead and back and check up on our chicken. Oh man, look at this. Oh, it is looking beautiful. This is how we like it, a little golden brown, not burnt, not undercooked, just right. Now what I like to do is put your chicken into a circle, making a hole into the middle, so that way your sauce won't drip out everywhere. Get all that yummy sauce into the pit of the chicken. Then you kind of want to just coat it all around, get this all mixed up. Throw in your leftover sauce. You want to do a little at a time, that way it doesn't spill too much over. You want to kind of let that sit for a couple of minutes and let the juices soak into the chicken. After you let that set for a couple minutes, then it starts to caramelize. Let's look at our noodles and check those out. Our noodles are just about done. If it's still sticky, throw some more water on there and then just let that cook up just a little bit longer. Now lastly, all you need to do is just throw everything together all in one shot. Look at all that caramelization you have, and you end up with something like this. Sticky chicken noodles on the Blackstone in under 20 minutes. Your family is gonna love you for this. All right, cheers. Having that secret sauce really helped. This is amazing. If you like this and you want to see more, hit that subscribe and let's go.